push the stick in for a little.
Want me to throw the stuff in there? You got it.
How are we feeling about this?
I think it's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be dope.
Hell yeah,
Are
100%.
you scared? There she lay.
Yep, she down.
¿Aquí los aventaste tú?
Sí, estaban aquí.
Porque ellos estaban
Mira cómo te está sacando la pinche ligada. Pero the boat. The big worm.
We're laying some storm pipe right on this driveway. We started about 150 feet from here about 2 days ago. And right now we're running this storm pipe 12-inch HDPE at a 17.16%, so it's pretty steep. And it's this steep to kind of slow down the water before it gets to that bottom part, because down there our slope is going to be about a 10% rather than it being like a 20% and running it pretty shallow. In order for us to hit those correct slopes, we got to run this pipe pretty deep right through this area. So right here, we have a string line set up with a 17% slope, because we tried setting our pipe laser in this pipe, and the max our pipe laser will shoot is a 15%. So we're using a smart level and a string line to shoot our slope down this hill, and then we'll grade off of that string line, and we're using it to keep our dirt grade for our machine. And right here, we can lay that gravel. We're gonna measure from that string line down to the bottom of pipe, so we can get that gravel nice and flat. And then we'll bring a stick of pipe, we'll bell it in this way to since we're running downhill, the bell's gonna be coming this way. We just have 2 more sticks to go and we'll be at our next basin, which is this 30-inch round box with 2 inverts. Yeah, so I got Ishmael, which he's been with us for about 1.5 years, and then we got Marcos, he's been here about 3 months. They're cousins, they're freaking awesome to work with, always cheerful, always happy to show up and just work, never complain. And then we got Nick, he's pretty new, but he's learning and he's gonna be a freaking kick-ass operator if he keeps up with us.
Papá, yung $1 yung $1.